I am here today for Country Craft Creations, and I have an exciting paper collection to show you and some news for you. On August 9th and 10th, we will be having a back to school YouTube hop. So for those of you who are not familiar with hops, I remember when I first started crafting and hearing people on YouTube talk about hops, I didn't know what that was. So it's basically you're hopping from one YouTube channel to another. So Country Craft Creations has different designers, and we are going to be making projects that relate to school. So that's why it's called Back to School. We will have different collections, and we will show you with a free tutorial how to make something with the collection. And then in the description box, we'll have links so that you can go to the other designers page and see their projects. So it's a good way to have some easy projects to work on and to get to know the designers and their styles, and make sure you subscribe to their YouTube channel. The collection that I'm going to be using is by Echo Park, and it's called Off to School. I'm going to go through the collection with you so you can see how super cute it is. This first page is the sticker collection, or the sticker page. You've got border stickers, and you have stickers of all different sizes. You have buses and banners and chalkboards. You have crayons and clipboards and globes, all sorts of things. That owl is super cute, and you're going to see that there's a paper that has owls that's adorable. So there's the sticker sheet. Let's go ahead and start with the journaling cards. These are 3x4, so you get 12 of them here. I remember these when I first started teaching. For library, they'd have an inside pocket, and then this, you would write down your name for that you're borrowing your book, and you'd hand that card in and they'd punch it. Oh, the good old days. So now we use computers, obviously, and they scan the book and poof, it's yours. Anyway, these are cute to add into pockets and to make into tags if you want. The other side is a multicolored grid pattern, kind of like graph paper. We have 4x4 cards here. So you get 9 of these. Some of them have phrases and sayings. Some are just pictures and graphics. Some have room for you to do your own writing. And then on the other side, different sizes and colors of stars. And they have like a stitching around them. These are different colored apples, but these are the 4x6 journaling cards. Those are really cute. So like the variety of colors. You got a green background, red background, white, blue, good variety. And again, there's apples on the other side. Can't have a school paper without apples. So here we have the alphabet on like chalkboard background. And this side is just the handwriting side. This is called academic alphabet, this page is. This one is called, I have it upside down, classroom clipboards. I think that's adorable. They have different clipboards with different metal tops, and then the different pictures and sayings on each one. I love my teacher. Easy as 1, 2, 3. This deserves a gold star. Very cute. You could use it as a whole paper, or you can cut them out individually. And then like green graph paper on the back. This would make a good border paper. Coloring crayons is what this one's called. You could use again as the paper or strips. And then you have a green pattern on the back. Here we're going to have some orange stars. So it's a lighter orange background, and the stars are a little bit darker orange. We have multiple sizes of journaling cards on this side. I like this first one and third one really well. This would make a great little booklet. Of course, I like this one the best because, you know, I'm a little biased, I guess. I think these are like 2x2s. Super cute. We have this adorable plaid, and this one is called Playground Plaid, so that makes sense. And then on this side, we just have a red background, and then there's a darker red, like alphabet, letters of the alphabet in different directions and different fonts. This is called a school bus ride. That's cute. The front of the bus, and then the green background. And the other side is a yellow polka dot. The background is a darker yellow, and the dots are actually a lighter yellow. They're not white. We have backpacks here. This is called Star Backpack. That makes sense because there's stars in the background. Cute colors. And then here we just have a blue check. Is that check? Plaid? I don't know. Here we have a variety of different pictures, kind of like a clip art page. It's called Welcome to Class. The owls, the scissors, school supplies, buses, chalkboards, glue, all that kind of stuff. Everything you'd see in a school, and then a red stripe on the other side. Here are those adorable owls. This is called Wise Owl. Some of them are holding a clipboard, some have an apple, some are wearing the hats, the cap. They got their glasses on, they're holding pencils. That's really cute. And then this reminds me of some of those composition notebooks, kind of, even though they're usually in black. The blue pattern reminds me of that. And then there's some solids that I'll use. You have a navy and orange, so the navy side and the orange side. A red and a light blue, so here's your light blue and your red. And we have green and yellow. So let's just take a real quick look at these owls. So the green and the yellow with it. The light blue and the red. The navy and the orange. So that's great to have that solid to go with your pattern paper. So Echo Park also has the adhesive brad. So you have some chipboard elements down here that have adhesive on the back, and then you have your gem brads. You have pearl brads, and then 2 different sizes of brads that have graphics on them. So A+, backpack, a bus, polka dots, the owl, a star, like the composition notebook, lined paper. So I'll be using that. And then I have 2 different ribbons I'll be using. I have a thin black that has white polka dots, and then also a red with white polka dots. So go ahead again and write down in your calendar or your planner or on a scratch piece of paper that on August 9th and 10th, Country Craft Creation will be having a back to school hop where designers will be giving you free tutorials with school themed paper. And in the description box, they will tell you where to go next, which designer's YouTube channel to go to next, August 9th and 10th. I'm looking forward to it, excited to do some of these designs and make a cute album using the Off to School paper by Echo Park.